What's up guys, welcome back to another 4-minute daily ab workout where you have 8 exercises, 30 seconds on for every exercise. Now I've been paying attention to the comments on YouTube, so guys keep them coming because I'm watching them and I'm trying to adjust the workouts just to your needs. So for today we're gonna do a beginner style workout. It's gonna be mixed with a lot of plank variations as well, but it's all gonna be body weight. So all you need is yourself and a mat. Here we go.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling. As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
Hope you guys enjoyed that solid 4-minute ab workout. Hopefully for you beginners out there, you're getting better and better at these exercises. Make sure you're constantly keeping up with it daily. Try to hit this up another 2 times to get a sufficient workout today, but if you guys already worked out for an hour, just do this once, that's all you need. definitely comment below. Let me know what exercise you like the best, what you didn't, so then I can mix it up and change up the workouts in the future so that it could get better for your needs. Thanks guys, give it a like too. And sub.
The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone.